Wondering if Neuro Linguistic Programming training is right for you? Today, I'm going to show you why you should and should not take NLP training. Keep watching. This is Life Mastery Gym. I'm Damon, and I teach people just like you cutting edge NLP processes and techniques so that you can master your life and take charge of your destiny. So if that sounds good, please click subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can get these videos on a regular basis. You've been thinking about it, but you're not sure if it's right for you. Or maybe you have done some NLP training and you're thinking of doing more. By the end of this video, you're going to have a lot more clarity about whether or not you should do NLP training or whether or not you should do more NLP training. I've been training in Neuro Linguistic Programming and practicing and teaching and coaching for several years now, and what I'm going to explore in this video is the right reasons and the wrong reasons to learn NLP. And make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm going to show you how you can get your hands on some free training that'll be a great introduction to NLP for you, so that instead of just jumping into an NLP training and paying thousands of dollars, you'll be able to use this free training to understand if NLP training is right for you. Let's address why you should not take NLP trainings first. But before I do that, I'm curious about you. Have you had any NLP training? Yes or no? Let me know in the comments below. Why should you not learn NLP? I hear from people all the time saying, I tried this NLP technique, I've tried this NLP process, and it didn't work. And quite honestly, I'm not surprised. This was my experience as well. When I first started trying to learn NLP, I started learning from books. And if you've ever tried that, you know how frustrating that can be because you can't really learn NLP from books. So things got a lot better when I started a practice group and I started taking what I was learning in the books and I started applying that and being able to practice it with real people. And then things got even better when I started doing NLP coaching, meaning I hired an NLP coach and I started doing formal NLP trainings and started creating an ongoing practice. Now, you don't need to do all of those things that I did to become good at NLP, but you will need to practice NLP and you'll need to do more than just one technique. It takes commitment to practicing NLP in order to get good at it. So if you're just trying one NLP technique and you haven't cultivated the skills that make that technique very powerful and make it very effective, chances are you're not going to get the result that you're looking for. But when you commit to an NLP training and you commit to practicing what you learn, this changes everything. So you can't just show up at an NLP training, sit there and learn it as well as you can just by listening to someone without really practicing it and expect to be good at NLP and expect to get effective results from the techniques and processes that you learn in a training. Getting good at NLP and making it effective is just about like everything else in life. If you think about it, you want to become more flexible. If you go to just one yoga class, you're not going to become more flexible. You're not going to become a yogi from taking one class. And if you want to learn how to defend yourself and you learn one jiu-jitsu technique, chances are you're probably not going to be able to fight off every single attacker who comes after you. So the number one reason not to do an NLP training is if you have no intention of practicing what you learn from the training. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, why would you want to take an NLP training? Well, one of the best reasons I can think of is personal mastery. Now, I know that's a really broad term because what personal mastery is to me is very different from probably you and probably everyone else. But here's the wonderful thing, is you get to explore what personal mastery is to you and then make it happen. This is what NLP is probably the best for. Discovering what is personal mastery to you, discovering what your values are, discovering who you want to become, what do you want to do, what is the life that you want to create, and how are you going to do it. This is what NLP can really help you discover and create for yourself. Doing NLP trainings and practicing what you learn in these NLP trainings will not only help you answer these big life questions, it will help you take those answers and turn them into a reality. I'm 7 years into the NLP journey, and in that time, I have come so far, and I wake up still every morning in awe of how my life has changed and transformed over those 7 years. And I'm also looking forward to where my life is continuing to go and to progress. And you don't have to take just my word for it. I have hundreds of students and coaching clients who have transformed their lives in a very short time through using the NLP processes and techniques that I've either taught to them or that I've walked them through every step of the way. You can jumpstart your life and truly master it in a short amount of time by taking NLP trainings and really practicing what you learn in them. So if that's what you want, Neuro Linguistic Programming training is definitely right for you. Another great reason to enroll in NLP trainings is if you're already a life coach and you want to take your skills and your practice to the next level. Or if you want to be a life coach and you want to learn extremely effective skills so that you can start your practice on the right foot and really build it from a very, very strong foundation of skill and understanding and knowledge of processes that can take your clients to the outcomes that they want and beyond. Too often, I see people who either want to become coaches or they want to become better coaches and more profitable coaches go chasing these trainings that promise you can become a 6 or 7 figure coach overnight. And what these people are not realizing is that, sure, you can learn a lot of marketing and you can learn the skills to be able to sell well, which is all wonderful, and you need to be able to do that. But a lot of times what they're missing is they're not realizing that you actually have to really learn the craft of coaching. You have to learn how to develop the skills and the knowledge and the wisdom to get outstanding results for your clients. Nobody's going to pay you 6 and 7 figures if you can't get outstanding results for your clients. So learn the craft, become highly skilled. And for me, NLP has been the most powerful set of tools and skills that I've ever learned. I've not come across anything that is nearly as powerful as NLP. Now, of course, I'm biased, and I'm not saying that there's not other things out there, but it's worth checking out at least one NLP training to find out if it works for you in the same way. You want to be able to figure out if it works for you on a personal level for your own mastery, and also does it work for you in client sessions? Does it work for you in helping your clients become the people they want to be and get the results that they want to get? Like I said, for me, NLP has been the great game changer in my life. It's also hands down the best technology I've ever come across for life coaching, for getting people effective results as quickly and as rapidly as possible. So if you want to become a coach, or you're already a coach and you're ready to take your practice to the next level, NLP trainings are a great option for you. Now you know whether or not you're a good candidate to learn NLP. So now you will want to take this to the next level, which is to try out some free training. And this is why I've created a 4-part video series where you can dive in, learn some NLP techniques and some NLP processes, and try them out for yourself and see if they work. You can get access to these videos by clicking the link in the description below. Just click on that link and you can get access to those 4 videos. You get the first video immediately and you'll get the next videos daily until you have all 4. What are you going to do now that you understand this? Are you going to do an NLP training, or did you realize that NLP trainings are not right for you? In the comments section below, let me know. I would love to hear from you and I will respond to you. While you're down there, make sure you get your hands on that free 4-part video series. Also, if you like this video, please click like right down here. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do that and hit the bell so you can get these videos on a regular basis. If you think this video would be helpful for someone you know, make sure you share it with them, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.